Yep. Got channel 5 too.
Winter storm bringing 10-20+ inches of snow will create very dangerous avalanche conditions today, March 23rd, 2024 through Sunday, March 24th, 2024. Steep slopes, including but not limited to Tuckerman Ravine, Huntington Ravine, Gulf of Slides, Great Gulf, and Avalanche Ravine are areas where dangerous and destructive avalanches are likely. These avalanches may be large enough to bury multiple people, do significant damage to trees or buildings, and will likely run far down on paths or to areas that are normally considered safe zones. Avoiding all avalanche terrain is advised. Where the Presidential Range Avalanche Forecast area, including Tuckerman, Huntington Ravine, Gulf of Slides, Great Gulf, Avalanche Ravine, and steep, open terrain in the mountains that are bounded by SRT2, SRT302, and New Hampshire RT16. This includes hiking trail that traverse across steep terrain like from the Lionhead Trail. Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area where steep, open terrain exists that has collected wind-drifted snow. Wind in effect from Saturday 07:00 Eastern Daylight Time to Sunday 07:00 Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: heavy snow and wind will create widespread unstable snow conditions. Very large snowdrifts that could avalanche spontaneously or easily from the weight of a person will exist throughout steep terrain, including hiking trail. Avoiding all avalanche terrain is advised. Very large destructive avalanches may run long.
They hit the time limit. What a joke.
Here are the 3 p.m. reports from Mount New England in New Hampshire. At Concord Lake,
Oh.
rain was falling. The temperature was 32 degrees.
Not that good. That one off.
Relative humidity of 92%. The wind was north at 10 miles an hour.
Which ones are on?
Pressure was 29.95.
Oh yeah, this finally went off.
Portsmouth rain. The temperature was 36. Manchester light rain was falling at 35. Jaffrey rain 34.